Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
And coming in at number 19, we have
John Legere
of T-Mobile. He's on this list for radically overhauling T-Mobile's products and services and for embodying the T-Mobile brand.
Dumb, Dumber, and Yellow contribute heavily to the uncarrier revolution.
I know people scratch their heads and say, how can they do that?
That's part A of my answer. Part B of my answer is, who the f*** are you anyway?
Colorful language from a colorful CEO. But as wireless wars heat up, can this disruptor keep taking share?
On the surface, John looks like a guy who just wants to chill out, have a couple beers, and watch the sun go down on some sunny beach in Thailand. However, if you look past all of that, you have one of the most extraordinary brains in business. Don't let those looks and that strange personality that I find endearing, don't let that deceive you. One of the most admirable and what people say is despised, I love it. The most admirable trait about John is that he's able to be both rebellious and goofy and still have the audacity to get away with it. How's he get away with acting like a total maniac? It's because he always delivers the best service to his users. His salesman-like personality is only one of the factors to his success within the industry. However, he knows exactly what his customers are looking for and he consistently over-delivers. And it's not just his customers, his employees love him too. Glassdoor consistently ranks him as a top CEO and 95% of his employees approve of him. Despite that fact, he does worry his investors from time to time with his behavior, but that's kind of just who he is. Since he joined T-Mobile, he's more than doubled the market cap for the firm. In fact, you have John to thank for the now commonplace offers from other mobile carriers like unlimited data, no contracts, and the ability to upgrade whenever you want. I'm of the opinion that John Legere is the Elon Musk or the Steve Jobs of the telecommunications industry and will be regarded as one of the greatest CEOs of all time.
And that's how John is. He wears magenta, really embodies the brand. It's creative leaders like him that revitalize a brand and really take it to where it wasn't before. Maybe it slipped a little bit and just bringing it back into the fold and excelling it into the future. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.